Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 1 and I'm gonna show you how to change the volume button in the camera app. So at first you have to click on the camera button here, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode and the volume button is here. And for now, when I use this, I can take a picture like that. This is how it works. So to change it, we have to go to more advanced settings. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner here, and it opens us the camera settings. We have to slide down to the command settings, and as you can see here we have the use volume key as button. So by tapping on this we can change it. We can pick from zoom, volume and shooter. So for now it's shooter, and I'm going to change it to zoom to show you how it works different. And let's go back to the standard camera view and use this volume button again. And as you can see, for now I can zoom easily and also go back. So this is how it works. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.